What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl VC and I'm back to you with another video. I know I've been gone for about 2 months now, but I am back like I never left, okay? But as you can hear, my sinuses is draining, so my voice is a little raspy, but don't let that bother you, okay? Don't let it bother you. Yeah. So with that being said, this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. Of course, this is one of my favorite companies. It's over a bang wig. It looks like the color 2730 and looks like a little 613 in there too, but I'm not really sure. But yes, this is what the wig looks like. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and a band. It comes with some goodies. It comes with a edge brush, an edge wrap that says "to love me." Wig cap comes with a band, tweezers, and hairpins. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I already put my my stocking cap on. This is like my very first time trying a bang wig, so I'm a little nervous, y'all. I'm a little nervous, so let's just see what it do. Girl, hold on, let me fix it. Okay, we're gonna have to flutter on this girl because I don't know about this one now. Let me see. We're gonna have to flatter on it, y'all, because I'm looking a little crazy. Okay, so let's try to flatter on her and get her together. I can't see. Lord, how do y'all wear this thing? Do I pull it back? Am I supposed to pull it back some, y'all? I don't know. It's kind of cute though. But this little part, let me try to put some got to be glued up there or something. Okay, y'all, this wig is actually, okay, it looks kind of cute. It's cute. This is my first time ever wearing a bang, okay? So this what y'all be doing. Kind of like want my bang to be like a little, you know, how y'all be wearing y'all's too. I don't know, it's kind of cute though. Let me put on my earrings. Okay, let me get my lip gloss. I look like somebody mama, okay. Okay, girl. Okay. I'm definitely feeling this unit. It is super cute. So this wig is from Luvmehair. It is 18 inches and 150% density. It is the colors number 4, 30, and 27 mixed, which is very, very pretty. It's a really pretty color blend. Yeah, so I'm definitely feeling this unit, guys. I would definitely rate this wig 10 out of 10. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It will be in the description box below and you will see it up here as well. Y'all, I just been, you know, MIA. I will be putting out more videos, but I've really just been, you know, working on myself, you know, still working, still braiding. So I will be coming back to you guys with more braiding tutorials and things of that nature, and also more wig tutorials. Yeah, I just been, you know, focusing on myself, y'all. Y'all see these abs coming in. Don't play with me. I've just really been, you know, hydrating, things like that, y'all, with my water, the coldest water. I will have a link for this water jug. Y'all, this water stays cold all freaking day. Like, oh my goodness. Yeah, so this water bottle is the bomb. So I will have a link in the description box for that as well. So with that being said, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in a couple days because I will be putting out more videos.